Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Engineer Cinco from Clnp. And today guys, our topic is regarding solution for oblique triangles. Now, I want to discuss to you first is the sine law, which is applicable for oblique triangles. So the meaning of sine law is the sides of any triangle are proportional to the sine of their opposite angles. So, meaning to say, the equation for sine law, A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. Okay. So they are proportional. Okay. A over sine A is proportional to B over sine B. So that's a meaning of sine law. Because this is applicable guys for oblique triangles, okay? Solution for oblique triangles. Actually, there are 4 cases that we are going to discuss. However, I will discuss to you the 2 cases which is applicable for sine law. Case 1 is 2 angles and 1 sides are given, okay? 2 angles and 1 side is given. Okay? So this is the condition for case 1. And the condition for case 2, 2 sides and opposite angles are given. Okay? 2 sides. Okay. Case 2. Two sides are given and opposite angles are given. Okay? And opposite angle are given. Okay? So, in order to understand these 2 cases, which is applicable for sine law, I will give you some example problem, guys, regarding for case 1 and case 2. Okay, guys, we have here an example problem number 1 related for sine law. Okay, so under case 1, since the condition for case 1 is 2 angles and 1 side are given. Okay, so as you can see here, the problem, oblique triangles, where there are 2 angles are given. Okay, angle A is 50 degrees, angle B is 110 degrees, and 1 side is given. This one A is given. Now find or determine the third angle. This is angle C. This one. Okay, find this angle and the 2 sides, the 2 remaining sides, this B and C. Okay, now in order to solve this problem, we will apply the sine law. Okay, so our formula is this one, guys. Okay. In order to find the other sides and the other angle. But before that, we need to find the angle C. Okay, so in oblique triangles, we can find the angle C by applying these angles angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, So, solution guys. Ayan ba yan? A. Okay. Plus B. Plus C. Is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So, substitute angle A. Which is 50. Plus angle B is 110. Plus C. 180 degrees. Okay. So, 50 plus 110 is equal to how much? 160, right? 160 degrees. Okay. Plus C, which is unknown, first requirement, and to be equated to 180 degrees. Okay. So, therefore, angle C will be 180 minus 160. So, 180 minus 160 guys, how much? 20 degrees, okay? So, there are 20 degrees for angle C. Okay. Our answer for the first requirement, angle C, this one. Okay. 20 degrees. Now, next requirement is to find the B side, okay? Now, this time we can apply the sine equation, sine law equation, okay? So, using sine law equation, okay? A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. Okay. Now, substitute guess the value for side A and the angle A and the angle B in order to find the B side. Okay, this one. Okay. So, how much of value for side A? A is 55, okay? So, substitute here, 55 over sine. How much the angle A? Angle A is 50 degrees, okay? It's equal to B, which is unknown, over sine B. What is angle B? 110, okay? So, by cross multiply, to simplify the expression, let me calculate, guys. B will be equal to 55 over sine 50 degrees, okay, times sine 110 degrees. Okay, so B will be equal to this one, guys. 55 divided by sine 50. Okay, sine 50. How much? Okay, 71. Okay, 71.7974 times sine 110. So B will be equal to sine 110 degrees, sine 110 degrees, okay, times 71.7974 79, 74. So there are 67, okay? 67.47. Answer for B. Okay? V side. The value of V side is equal to 67.47. Okay? Now, the last requirement that we need to find is the C. How much the dimension of C or the value of C side. Okay? Now, again, we need to apply the same sine law. Okay? Sine law. Let it be B. Should be A. Now, here will be C. Okay? Solving for C. Okay? Solving for C using sine law. Okay? So B. Now A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. Correct? Or you can use also to find the value of C by using B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. But here I am preferring to use the sine A, okay? Angle A. And in order to find the value of C side, okay? This equation, guys. So substitute the value for A. How much A? 55, okay? Over sine A. How much A? Angle A is 50 degrees, okay? Equal to C over sine C. How much the angle C? 20 degrees. We have already calculated the angle C, which is 20 degrees. Okay? Now, to simplify this expression, in order to find the value of C, the same procedure from the above. Okay? C will be equal to 55 over sine 50 degrees, okay, times sine 20 degrees. Okay guys, I hope you followed our procedure on how to solve the value of C, okay, the third side or side C. Now, let me calculate, guys, okay. C will be 55, okay, 55 divided by sine 50 degrees, okay, is equal to 71.7974, okay, times sine 20 degrees. So there are 24.56. Okay, guys. So this is the value or answer for third requirement, the value of C side. Okay. So again, guys, I hope you understand our first problem. But take note, this examples is based on the case 1, okay? Based on the condition 1 or case 1. Now, the next sample problem will be based on the case 2, okay? I will give you the second problem for the case 2. Hi guys, we're back. As I said earlier, I am giving you the second part or second condition or case 2. For oblique triangles problem, okay, where we can apply the sine law equation to solve some unknown values. Now, as you can see in this board, we have the example, an oblique triangle. Triangle A, B, and C. Okay, having three sides A, B, and C. But take note guys, the given data or the given values for this particular triangle is the angle B. Angle B, which is equal to 40 degrees. And the two sides are given. So case 2 is applicable because the condition is we need two sides to be given, okay, for this certain oblique triangle. So it's correct because the two sides are given, the A sides and the B sides are given, and the opposite angle is given. What is the opposite angle guys for these two sides? This is angle B, 40 degrees, okay. So now the required in this problem is we need to find how much the angle for A and angle C and the third side, value of C, okay. So solution guys, okay, solving for the third, okay, solving for the angle A, okay. Solving for, we need to solve first the angle A, okay, solving for angle A. Applying the sine law equation, okay. So A over sine A, okay, is equal to B over sine B, okay. We need to solve this angle, okay, because two sides are given and one opposite angle is given, which is B. So okay, how much A? 200. Okay guys, I hope you followed, okay. Over sine A, okay, is equal to how much a B? 350, okay, over sine, how much angle B? Is 40 degrees, okay. So to simplify further this expression, sine A times 350 is equal to 200 times sine 40 degrees, okay. So over 350 cancel, okay. So the remaining will be sine A, okay, is equal to how much is one guys? Let me calculate, okay. Sine 40 degrees, okay, times 200 divided by 350. So there are 0.36, okay, 0.36, 730, 720, 55. Okay. So how you will find the angle A guys in this particular expression? We need to apply the inverse sine, okay, or arc sine, okay. So A will be arc sine this value 0.36, 730, 720, 55. Take note guys, I copied all the decimals, okay. in order to find the accurate angle. Okay, so in this particular expression, we can find the angle A. Okay, so arc sine to 21. Okay, or inverse sine or arc sine, okay, 0.36, 730, 720, 55. Okay. So angle A will be equal to 21.55 degrees. Okay. So this is the answer for angle A. Now our second requirement is to solve for the angle C. Okay, since we already calculated the angle A. Okay, now solving for angle C. Okay. Since we already solved for since we have already solved the angle A, now we can use same equation for A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, angle A is already calculated, okay, which is equal to 21.55 degrees. Okay, plus angle B, we have 40 degrees. Okay, is given, plus angle C is unknown. Okay, is equal to 180 degrees. So we will add these two values, guys. Okay, 21.55 plus 40 equals 61. Okay, 61.55 degrees plus angle C is equal to 180. Okay, so transfer angle C is equal to 180 minus 61.55. Okay, therefore 180 minus 61.55, so there are 118.45 degrees. Okay, so this is the answer for angle C. Okay, this is second requirement. Now the third requirement is we need to find the third sides, which is the C. Okay, this one. So solving for side C, okay, we will use the again same equation for sine law. Now we have already sine B, angle B. Okay, and we have also the dimension for B sides, and angle C also we have already calculated. Now we can find the third side. Okay, so we will use this this equation. Okay, B over sine B is equal to third side or C over sine C. Okay, so substitute the value of B. How much, guys? 350. Okay, 350 over sine. How much the angle B? Which is equal to 40 degrees. Okay, is equal to third side or C, side C over sine. How much the angle C? This one. We already calculated the angle C is equal to 118.45 degrees. Okay, so to simplify this expression, guys, in order to find the angle of C, so C is equal to 350 over sine 40 degrees times sine 118. 0.45 degrees. Okay, so C will be, or third side is equal to, so how much is one? 350. Okay, second side or B side, this is 350 divided by sine 40 degrees. Okay, times sine 118.45 degrees. Okay, equal to 478. Okay, 478.75. Okay. So this is the answer for third side, or C. Okay. Now let me double check once again, guys. Okay. Sine 40 degrees .64. Okay. So 350 and by 0.64. Okay. 546 by 46.87 sine 118.45 degrees. Minus 546. Let's see, right. Okay. So this is the final answer for the third side, guys. 478.75. Okay. So I hope you understand our example problem regarding this sine law. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.